Okay, now, okay, like I said, this, Romeo. Okay, now can everybody see that all right? I hope. Okay, now this should kind of refresh our memories about actually the last 2 or 3 sections. This is kind of a review. Now, first thing we're going to describe the change. Now, one thing I will stress, okay, anytime you have parentheses, okay, that's going to move the graph either where? Left or right. Okay, now the +4 in parentheses will move it where? Left how far?
4.
Left 4. Okay, now are there any other changes on number 1? No. Okay, another question. Okay, what is what's the equation for the quadratic parent function? What's the equation for the quadratic parent function? Very good. Y equals x squared. Okay, we're changing from there. Now, on number 2, okay, are there any parentheses? No. So is it moving right or left? No. The -3, where does that move the graph? Down 3. Yes, I did. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me grab one real quick. Okay, on the third one, go ahead. All right, parentheses, so it's moving right or left. The -2 moves it where?
To the right.
Right 2. Now, outside the parentheses, the +1 does what? Up 1. Very good. Okay, number 4. +3 in parentheses moves it. Parentheses is left or right, so which way? Left 3, very good. And the +2 moves it up 2, very good. Okay, number 5, -4 in parentheses, right 4, very good. Okay, -2, down 2. Okay, number 6, what does the negative do? Okay, reflects it across the x-axis, or simply put, that just makes it open which direction? Down. Okay, it opens down. Okay, +5 in parentheses, left 5. And -6, down 6. Okay. Now, the 5, the number in front of the x squared is getting what? Bigger. So what happens to the graph? It's a vertical stretch. Okay? Or it's getting, when you stretch something, thinner, or, or what's another word for, oops. Let me turn that off. Okay, it's a vertical stretch. Okay, any other changes on 7? Okay, number 8. Okay, the negative makes it opens down. Or you could say reflects, very good. And the 1/3, the fraction, the number's getting smaller, what's happening to the graph? It compresses or gets wider. Okay. Now, when we get to writing the equations, okay, I think it's easier to describe the change before you write the equation. Okay. Now, the parent function always starts at the origin. Okay. So from the origin, okay, how is this graph moving, or how is the vertex moving? Which direction? Left how far? Left 3. Then what? What? Down 1. Okay, so that's the change. So now let's write the equation. Y equals, how do I make it go to the left? What do I have to have? Parentheses. X plus 3, close parentheses, squared. Now move it down 1. Minus 1. Very good. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. Number 10. Okay, the first thing we should notice about 10 is that it opens which direction? Down. I thought I turned that on. Opens down. Okay, now the vertex moves which direction? To the right, how far? Right 2. And up 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me get your paper. Here you go. Okay, so now start with y equals. How do I make it open down? Negative. Right 2. Parentheses, x minus 2 squared. Now up 3. Plus 3. Very good. Oh, sorry. Okay. Number 11. Describe the change. It opens down. It opens down. And then the only other change is the vertex moves where? Up 1. Okay. So y equals. How do I make it open down? Negative. How do I make it go up 1? X squared plus 1. Very good. Okay. Number 12. Okay. How does the vertex change? Left 1 and down 2.
So how do you see that?
Okay. Now the vertex of the parent function starts at 0, 0. Okay. You know that? Okay. Then the vertex changed where? It went left. How far? How far did the vertex is right there, so it went left. How far? 1 and down. How far? 2. You get it? Okay. Now, y equals. What do I need to move it to the left? Parentheses. X plus 1. Good. Close parentheses squared. Now move it down 2. Minus 2. Okay, it's not too bad, is it?
Where did you get that?
What?
The X?
I'll help you out in here in just a second. Okay, number 13. Okay, opens down. Okay, and the vertex moves right 1 and down 1. Right 1, down 1. Okay, so y equals. How do I make it open down? Negative. How do I move it right?
X minus 1.
Okay, what do I need to move it right? Parentheses. X minus 1, close parentheses squared. Now how to make it down 1? Minus 1.